This is the elevator at the Washington Center building in Mount Lebanon, Pennsylvania. This is a 90s Dover Marshall Impulse elevator from the 90s. Dover. Go to the basement. It says this is the Washington building, but I think it's actually the Washington Center building. Here's the basement. This is the Justice Court. Go up to 2. Here we go. You're at 2. Go back down to 1. Your husband works, ADA foam. Just your basic cab. This is a pretty basic elevator. From the 90s, Marshall certificate. Here back at 1. In case of fire use stairs. I think there used to be a drinking fountain there. There it goes, and that's it. District Court, not Justice Court, my bad.